So, good morning students. Today we will see the deletion operation in list. How many types of deletion operations are there and how do they perform? We will see in our this video. ठीक है? Python provides operators for deleting or removing an item from the list. There are many methods for deletion. If the index is known, you can use pop method or del method. If the element are known, then not the index, then we can use the remove method. That means pop method, which is there, when we will apply pop method for deleting the data, then we will get the whichever element or whichever data has been deleted, that is being reflected. It will be returned on the screen. Okay, it will display on the screen. Remove method will remove the value on the basis of index. Remove method will simply take the elements and will remove from the list and it won't display anything, and del method will delete based on the index. Suppose we have taken a list. This is the element, these all are the elements. I will use a is equal to L1 dot pop 1. So from the first position, second element is removed. See, 1 2 5 4, here 2 is removed. Okay, so 2 is popped out. See, for another example, L1 is equal to, this is the elements, 100, 200, 300, 500. L1 dot pop minus 1, that means from the right hand side the index will start. This is minus 1 and this is minus 2. So see, 500 has been removed from the list and 500 is displayed over here. Now del operation. See what we do in del operation. This is my list. Del statement removes the specified element from the list but does not return the deleted value. Okay, it will not return the deleted value but it will delete the data. L1 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Del L1 का 3, मतलब list 1 का third value 0, 1, 2, 3, 400. See, 400 is vanished. इसमें से 400 गायब है. When you will print this L1, 400 will be deleted. This is how you do. Now next, del with slicing. So slicing, see, list 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, these much values are there. Delete L1 ka 2 is to 4. That is the starting value is 2 and ending value is 4. 4 means n minus 1. Up till n minus 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1 is this value. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth n minus 1, that means 3. So 2 से start करेंगे. 0, 1, 2, 3. 30 and 40 will be the output. See, it will be deleted. Del. So 30 and 40 is deleted from the list and 10, 20 and 50 is the output. 10, 20 and 50. When you will print, you will get this value. The above del statement shall remove second and third element from the list. As we know that slice selects all the elements up to the fourth index. So fourth element will remain in the list. That is n minus 1. I told you. That's now remove. Function removes function is used when we know that the element will be deleted not in the index of the element. See, this is the list. List is given. L1 is equal to 1, 2, 5, 4, 70, 10, 90, 80 and 50. So L1 dot remove 90. This element will be removed. See, when you will print the list, print L1, see 90 values vanished. Got it? So this much. Next we will see in our next video, but once let me explain you the program. See, one function is being created, developed. Def main is the function with the def keyword. L1, this is my list. For I in L, I is traversing in L. So if I modulus 2, when I will be divided is equal to 0, L1 dot remove I. ठीक है, जब I 2 से डिवाइड होगा वैल्यू 0 मिलेगा, वो सारी वैल्यू को रिमूव कर देगा and you will get the odd numbers. You will get the odd numbers. See, 7 you will get, 5 you will get, 15 you will get, 23 you will get as the output. So when this program will be printed, you will get 7. Got it? That is the first one. 2 is 2 modulus 2. 2 divided by 2, 0. तो it will be L1 dot remove I. तो I का वैल्यू को रिमूव कर दिया, 2 रिमूव हो गया, 7 बच गया. 12 रिमूव हो जाएगा, 2 डिवाइड करने से 2 से विल गेट 0, ये भी रिमूव हो जाएगा, 5 रह जाएगा क्योंकि डिवाइड नहीं होगा, 10 डिलीट हो जाएगा, वो भी रिमूव हो जाएगा, 15 रह जाएगा, 23 रह जाएगा, 7, 5, 15 एंड 23. सो थैंक यू फॉर टुडे. नेक्स्ट विल डू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ठीक है.